Hi, Max. Is your daddy burping you? You get the hiccups a lot, Max.
You got hiccups when you were in your mom's tummy.
You did, and now you're
all the time.
And now you're getting them again. And again and again and again. You don't look like you like them very much either, do you, kid?
But he handles it pretty well.
Yeah, he does.
Oh.
Hi, little baby boy. You look so distressed.
Do something cool for the camera, please. Buddha.
That's not cool.
Yes, His Holiness. It's the
Dalai
Dalai Lama.
We named him the Dalai Lama. His Holiness.
His Holiness. Oh, did I scratch the back of your head with my bracelet? I did, didn't I? Don't cry too much. Thank you. I scratched the back of your head with my bracelet. That's all I did. It's going to bleed for a little bit and it'll be fine.
Say, Dad, stop beating me up.
This'll help you. Ooh, it's a scary dog. It's a scary dog. Get it. Get it. Hey. Oh.
Okay, everybody.
Well, he is not performing at all this morning.